Nobody. The poet talks about a quiet little man. He says that he is the cause of every mischief done in everybody's house. No one ever sees him doing the mischief, but they know that he is the only mischief maker and names him Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. That every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. La 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 la. The Zigzag Boy. I know a little zigzag boy who goes this way and that. He never knows just where he puts his coat or shoes or hat. If you're not a zigzag child, you'll have no cause to say that you forgot, for you will know where things are put away. La 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 la.
Children, in these two poems, we are studying about Mr. Nobody and the Zigzag Boy. The both boys are doing mischief. Do you know the meaning of mischief? That is playful misbehavior. In another word, we can say they are naughty. In Tamil, we can say kurumbu. So now let us see our classmates how they are doing some mischief. Here you see Sarah, she is upside down in the park. Again see Sharvin, he is climbing up on the play area. And see Charles, how nicely he is climbing on the wall. And look at Sarah, how beautifully and fast she is climbing on the tree. See their naughty things. See the Charles climbing on the post and swing. Look at Tejal, she is beating some goat or pet animals. We should not do that. See the way Charles is swinging and jumping. Again you see Sarah, how she is climbing and swinging. All the naughty things, just like Nobody, our classmates are doing now. All mischief children. Look at Gopi Krishna playing in the water. See their naughty things. See again he is climbing on the car. Do all the mischief children. As now Jason, see he is cheating his father. Again cheating his sister. See Pranav, how he is climbing on the gate and jumping. See their naughty things. See Adarsh, how nicely, see his mischief. This is the way you are doing in the classroom also sometimes. Look at Niresh, the way he jumps and play around his house, throwing things here and there, throwing all the things. He's making his house mess, jumping on the sofa, throwing his toys all around. See the naughtiness. Oh, see, he's like Mr. Nobody. The way he does the mischief. If you are doing naughty things, do you think your parents will like you? Sometimes they will be irritated the same way. Look at Pradeep running behind the goat and he's disturbing. He's trying to sit on that. These are the naughty things. See the way he climbs on the tree fast and he is going to get over for us. See, so soon he's plucking everything from the tree. And immediately he's getting down from the tree. Children, when you are doing something naughty, sometimes you may get hurt. Look at the way Vishwaja, she's cheating something. She's taking the ice cube from the fridge and she's picking. Also she's going and disturbing his grandfather. Oh, see the naughty thing. See Srishant, the way he wears the dress of his father's coat, and Saindavi scribbling on the wall. And see children, these are the mischief things you can enjoy in your childhood. But all the time, sometimes your parents or teachers may like it, and sometimes it will be irritating others. So you try to be a good child. Children, do you know the opposite of nobody? There are 3 opposites. They are anybody, somebody, and everybody. When you are a naughty child, nobody will come near you. But when you are a good child, everybody will like you. If anybody asks you any help, you should be ready to do them, so that God will send somebody to help you when you are in need. So the opposites of nobody are everybody, somebody, anybody. Children, in this lesson you are studying about similes. Do you know what is similes? Similes are similarities between 2 things using words such as like, as, or, than. We can compare 2 things. When we compare 2 things, we can use the word like or as. Now, let us learn the similes through the song.
Song of Similes. I wanna be as smooth as a silk, as soft as a cushion, as proud as a peacock, as gentle as a breeze, as tall as a giraffe. I wanna be as fresh as a daisy, as kind as a mother, as fast as a cheetah, as tough as a nail, as hot as a fire. I wanna be as straight as an arrow, as colorful as a rainbow, as free as a bird, as clean as a crystal, as active as an ant. I wanna be as steady as a rock, as pure as the snow, as round as the moon, as quick as a flash, as big as a giant. I wanna be as bright as the sun, as rich as a king, as busy as a bee, as brave as a lion, as sweet as a honey. I wanna be as good as a gold, as white as milk, as light as a feather, as strong as an ox, as clear as a crystal. I wanna be as white as a mouse, as wise as an owl, as clever as a fox, as cute as a kitten, as beauty as a queen. I wanna be as red as a rose, as light as a cotton, as short as a knife, as fat as an elephant, as deep as an ocean. Ah, oh, I wanna be